Hello, good morning. How are you? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. I think we should ask these three questions to ourselves. First question is, who is the most important person? See, who is the most important person? Next is, what is the important time? See, next is, what is the important time? And the third is, what is the important work or what is the important karma? Many times we ask so many questions to ourselves. But I feel if we ask these three questions to ourselves and understand it properly, we will definitely understand our life as well. I will give you an example. Once there was a king. So one day early in the morning, he got these three questions. That is, who is the most important person? What is the important time? And what is the important work? He called all his courtiers. Someone said that king was important. Someone said their children were important. And karma, they said their religion, serving to the religion is important. So there were so many answers, different answers. Some said God was the most important. Some said it is the farmer because he grows the grain and it is because of him we are alive. So, but the king was not satisfied with these answers. Then what happened? His chief minister told him, there is a great sannyasi who lives on the mountain. It is good that we will go and ask that sannyasi, that yogi. So the king, along with his troop, moved towards the yogi or sannyasi. As was the custom, he left his sword outside the door of the sannyasi, went and made him Sashtanga Namaskara. He asked the sage, I am having three questions. I want the answers from you. The sage said, the sannyasi said, yes, ask your questions. I am there to answer it. Then the sage or the sannyasi took him to the edge of a cliff, a nearby high point overlooking the entire kingdom. King was very happy to see his vast kingdom. He was just enjoying it. Then the sannyasi said, turn around. The king turned towards the voice and he saw the sage was pointing the sword at the king's heart. Then what happened? The king was startled. After his heart skipped a beat, a calm feeling also swept around his entire being and his eyes twinkled. Then he asked the sage that was it a lesson taught to him for all these three questions? He said yes. So now the sage answered all the three questions in an instant, within a minute. Because when he looked at his kingdom, what was his important karma? That was looking at the subjects, looking at his people, ruling his country well. Because subjects were very, very important for him. And which moment was most important? Present. Present moment was important. And who was important? It is the person who is inside you. You means who is inside you was very, very important. So, even in our life, all these things are very, very important. Because our sole attention we should give to the work, whatever we are doing. As king's duty was looking after his subjects. Our duty might be studying or working in the office or working in the household, whatever. So, our duty is very, very important. And which time is important? That is present. As I tell you again and again, present is the hard cash and you have to make use of it. Because past is over. It is a cancelled check. You can't do anything there. Future will be a promissory note. That is why which time is important? That is the present time. And who is important? You are with yourself. So you have to love yourself. That is why you, that is within you, that person is important. When you are with yourself, you are the most important person. Don't devote your thoughts and energy to meaningless grudges of the past. Negative thoughts have never propelled anything positivity in anybody's mind. That is why we too, human beings, should value the present most. Because present is important, I told you. Present is the hard cash. So, time, present time is important. Who is important? That is you. You means who is within you. You are important. Self-love is important. Self-care is important. So, time, present, who, that is you, yourself. And the third question remaining, what is the question? Who is important? What time is important? And the next question is, what is important karma or work? The work which you do, the work which you are doing, that is your karma, and that is very, very important. So, whatever work we do, we should do it with full of devotion. With full of devotion. And when we work it with full of devotion, with full of interest, with full of focus, definitely we will be not only successful in life, we will be happy in life. So I am sure all of us understood these three questions, and let us practice all these three questions in our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.